Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to build a cheap jet. So first of all you wanna place 4 blocks like this. Oh wait, not like this, but like this. Then you wanna do 9 blocks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1. You gotta do it 4 times like this, so you can get the perfect length of the jet. Go, almost. And yeah, if you didn't already hear me, we are going to do a cheap jet from Ohio. It's the cheapest as it could get. It actually isn't the cheapest, but it's cheap. Let's do it. Oh wait, never mind. Then after that, let's do this, like this. So now you wanna place 2 blocks like this. Then you also wanna pick your glass and do it like this. So now you got your entrance. You also need a screwdriver because otherwise you can't do it. Or if you don't have the screwdriver, just leave this open. So then you wanna select all. Make the collision off, and that's it. Now you can enter it. So now we also wanna, where is it? Here. Now we also wanna do this, here, and this, there. So after that, you wanna let this. We wanna let this open because we're going to need that space later, and do it like this. Oh no, why isn't it fitting? Okay, you have to do one like this because otherwise it won't fit. Now let's go with the others. And do that. So we need the space here later, so we can place the engine. Oh, where is it? Let's see how big it is. Yeah, it fits. So now you wanna do the wings. Pretty easy to do with the wings. Now you just need some metal, just any blocks. So like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Yeah. So now we got the wings. Only on this side. Now you wanna also perfectly align this. Doing that. Now you know it's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. So now we got the wings. Let's get to the jet, because if you do the jet before that, it would have been horrible doing this. So now you wanna place the jet like this, and the second jet like this, so you can still have access to the other ones. So now you wanna do the jet collision off and transparency 100%. To the other jet you also wanna do, if we can reach it somehow, you wanna do the same thing. Yeah, there we go. Collision, bruh, I must put. Okay, collision off, transparency 0. So you know people won't see it. But what you can also do is like do this. Or you know, you wanna close it. It's pretty hard to close it, so you wanna do this. You wanna do zoom like so much so that you can place it perfectly without jet spotting. Like look, I can place it, so you wanna do this. Oh no. Oh no. So now we are dead. You can place our seat. So there we go. It is. Where is it? Here. So let's place the seat here. And we also can't forget to turn off the collision because otherwise you could also not get in. Oh no, I'm stuck. Please. I'm going to reset myself real quick. Make this a bit faster by eating this. So now you also want to place here this. So now let's arm the plane. Forgot to make this visible. There. So now it's visible again. Now we need the cannons. Let's firstly take the minigun because it's the largest. So let's take the minigun like this. Then you wanna, turn off the collision, transparency 0, 100%, and no aim because it's a strafing. It should shoot straight, so it's okay. So now we'll get to the cannons. We wanna each for one of these wings. So one, not all of them, but all three. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So after that, you also wanna pick all. Oh shit! It's kind of hard to pick all, but it'd be fine. Collision off, transparency 100%. Transparency 100%. Collision off. Aim off. Oh wait, no, not aim off. So now you also wanna do this and connect this, or you not delete this, so to delete the connection of this and give it back to this, if I can do it. Yeah. So then you wanna also do E, so you can actually fly this thing without any problems. So now I am going to select all and then anchor. Oh, I forgot to, it's kind of cheating. Just remember to place it down up with the, how are these called? With the glue. Where is it? Just remember, you know what? Yeah, this block. Just remember to do it like this. Yeah, that's it. Oh wait, I'm gonna just put this cannon up again. So now let's fly it and see how it works. Okay, we can get in. Now you have to press E like this. And you can fire. Wow, that's a good plane. You know, as I already said, it looks pretty goofy, but it is the cheapest plane I could find in Ohio. So yeah, you can properly destroy some tanks. Here he has an RLC tank. Oh no, okay, we got out. Here's my friend's base. Why is he building a bridge? But that's okay. So yeah. Anyways, guys, that's it with the video. It was a great video again. And you also wanna keep on building and build mode. Keep on getting more gold. And anyways, that's it for the video, guys. Bye-bye!